Hello, I'm Moros1138, and today it is with an abundance of pride that I present to you PGEtinker. PGEtinker is an interactive web application which allows you to build and run pixel game engine programs right from inside your browser. It lets you write C++ code without the hassle of installing and learning to use a toolchain and IDE. If you're unaware of the Pixel Game Engine, then I invite you to visit JavidX9's YouTube channel. Javid's content is educational and focuses on demonstrating algorithms in a visual way using his Pixel Game Engine. If you're so inclined, his videos are definitely worth a watch. Back to PGEtinker. We see it here in its default layout. A code editor on the left side, a player panel on the right side, which is currently empty because there isn't a program running. Along the bottom are two stacked panels. Build information, which will contain information returned from the compiler. Usually this comes in the form of warnings and errors. The console, when you write a program that uses standard output functions like cout and printf, those appear here. Along the top is the settings drop-down menu. In it are default code, which loads the default example C++ code into the editor. Toggle theme switches between dark theme and light theme. Restore default layout, which is handy for situations when you've customized the layout and want to scrap it for the default. Build and run attempts to build the C++ code. If it succeeds, the player panel will launch the program. If it fails, the build information panel will display the output from the compiler, and errors will appear in the editor panel. Under the sharing drop-down menu are share, which does everything build and run does, but also produces a URL you can use to share your code with other people. Download HTML lets you, download the HTML file of the currently running program. You can use this file locally, or you can host it on your own website. Under the links drop-down menu, you can find out what's new, support the project on Patreon, make bug reports, and check out the One Lone Coder on GitHub. Before I wrap up this video, I want to spend a little time to say thank you to the One Lone Coder community, and especially thank you to Bixie, Kieran, Dandestein, Hulig, Javid, and Technic Yella. Their advice helped shape PGEtinker into what it is today. A special thanks to Bixie for the use of their server during testing. Congratulations, you made it to the end. If you like PGEtinker and would like to support it, head over to my Patreon. Join the One Lone Coder Discord server. The links are in the description below. That's all for now, and happy tinkering.